Hello dear students, hope you are doing well. Triangles. The objectives are know the definition of a triangle and its element, and to identify and construct the different remarkable lines in any triangle. Triangle, by definition, if we join every three non-collinear points, we will get the triangle ABC. We mean by three collinear points, A, B, and C are collinear if they are located on the same straight line. Okay? But in this case, we have three non-collinear points, A, B, and C. If we join these points, we will get a triangle. In this triangle ABC, we have three vertices A, B, and C. Vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. We have three sides, AB, this side AB, AC, the second side, and BC, the third side. Also in triangle we have three angles. We have the angle ABC, ABC, this angle, BCA, BCA, this angle, and angle CAB, CAB, this angle. So in triangle we have three vertices, three sides, and three angles. And don't forget that the sum of these three angles is equal to what? 180. So if you add the angle ABC, the angle BCA, and the angle CAB, the answer is equal to 180. Remarkable lines in a triangle. First of all, medians in a triangle. What we mean by median? Median in a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. We know each vertex have opposite side. ABC is a triangle. Okay, I will draw the median from A to its opposite side. What is the opposite side of the vertex A? The opposite side of the vertex A is BC. Okay, so place the midpoint of BC using the ruler. Suppose that BC equal to 8. Place the midpoint of BC. So M is the midpoint of BC at 4 cm. MB equal to MC because M midpoint. Then after placing the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex A, join the vertex A to the midpoint of its opposite side. So join A with M. AM is the median. Okay, this is the first median in triangle ABC. We can draw the second median from C. What is the opposite side of C? The opposite side of the vertex C is AB. Place the midpoint of AB using the ruler. N is the midpoint of AB. This means NA equal to NB. After placing the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex C, join N with C. So CN is the second median in triangle ABC, which issued from vertex C. We can draw the last median, which is the third median in triangle ABC, from the vertex B. What is the opposite side of B? The opposite side of the vertex B is AC. Okay, place the midpoint of AC using the ruler. Okay, T is the midpoint of AC, so TA equal to TC. After placing the midpoint, join B, the vertex, with the midpoint T. So after joining B with T, BT is the third median in triangle ABC. We notice that the three medians meet at point G. Okay, the three medians in a triangle intersects at the same point G, this point. Okay, which is called what? Center of gravity or centroid. Okay, how to draw the median? To draw a median in a triangle, you can use a ruler to place the midpoint of a segment, of the opposite segment of the vertex, right? Then join this midpoint with the vertex using the ruler. The second remarkable line in a triangle, heights of a triangle. We have a triangle ABC. What we mean by the height and how to draw the height? Okay, we have three heights in any triangle. The same three medians, and also we have three heights in a triangle. Height is a line segment through a vertex, so passing through a vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, when we have a perpendicular line, we will use the set square. So I will draw the first height from A to its opposite side. The opposite side of A is BC. So using the set square, put the set square on BC and draw a perpendicular line on BC passing by the vertex A. So using set square, I will draw the line perpendicular to BC passing by the vertex A. Don't forget to write the notation of the right angle. So AH is the first height in a triangle ABC. Okay, to draw another one, using set square, put the set square on the opposite side of the vertex C, so on AB, and draw the perpendicular line on AB passing by the vertex C. Name it as CR, the height CR, and don't forget the notation of the right angle. Okay, so CR is the second height in this triangle. We can also draw the third one. So BS is the third height in triangle ABC issued from the vertex B. So the angle BSA is 90 degrees, right? So to draw the height using the set square to the opposite side, draw a line perpendicular to the opposite side passing by the vertex. We notice that the three heights intersect at the same point, I. Okay, the three heights of the triangle intersects at the same point I, which is called what? Orthocenter. The name of this point is orthocenter. Okay, in medians, center of gravity or centroid. In heights, what? Orthocenter. Height, altitude, orthogonal projection, same meaning. Okay, to draw the height in a triangle, use the set square. Now about the bisectors in a triangle. We have a triangle ABC, and we will draw the three bisectors of the angles of this triangle ABC. Okay, what we mean by the bisector? In a triangle, the semi-line which divides the angle into two equal adjacent angles is called the bisector. So the semi-line that divides what? The angle into two equal adjacent angles. This is the bisector. Suppose that we have angle ABC equal to 80. This angle equal to 80. Okay, how to construct the bisector of this angle? Using the protractor, measure the angle ABC. If it equal to 80, what is the half of 80? The half of 80 is 40. Then place the point and join it with B. Then BX is the angular bisector of the angle ABC. This means the angle XBC equal to the angle ABX, because BX is the angular bisector of the angle ABC. Angle XBC and angle XBA are adjacent and equal. Okay, this is the first angular bisector. The second one, this angle C, measure angle C by using the protractor and divide it into half. Okay, the half of the angle C. Then draw the semi-line CY. CY is the angular bisector of the angle ACB. Let's divide the angle ACB into two equal angles, ACY, this angle, and YCB. So these two angles are equal. CY is the angular bisector using the protractor. And to the third angle A, also the same, measure the angle A and divide it into half. The half of the angle BAC, this means the angle BAZ equal to the angle ZAC. This angle equal to this angle. So AZ is the angular bisector. Also, you can draw the angular bisector using the compass. You can open the compass, draw a small arc here, then put the pin of the compass and draw another one like this, and the pin second times here, and draw the second arc. They will intersect at one point, then join this point with the vertex B to get the angular bisector. We notice that the three bisectors of a triangle intersects at the same point J. This point J. Okay, this point is called in center. The point of intersection of angular bisectors is called what? In center. Okay. To draw the bisector, you can use a protractor, or you can use what? A compass. You can use the protractor, then join the vertex with the point using the ruler, or you can use the compass. Okay. Finally, perpendicular bisectors in a triangle. ABC is a triangle. We will draw the three perpendicular bisectors for each side. So for BC and for AB and for AC. What is the definition of the perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is a line, okay, perpendicular to a side of a triangle and passes through its midpoint. So perpendicular and at the midpoint, okay. So to draw the perpendicular bisector of BC, place the midpoint of the side BC. Suppose that BC equal to 10, what it's half? 5. The midpoint of BC. Then after placing the midpoint of BC, using the set square, draw a line perpendicular to side BC, passing through what? This midpoint. Okay, after drawing this line perpendicular to BC at this midpoint, don't forget the notation of 90 degrees because this line is perpendicular to BC. Okay, this line, because it's perpendicular to BC and at the midpoint of this segment, then D1 is called what? The perpendicular bisector of BC. Look, this line not passing through the vertex A. So not always perpendicular bisector passing through the vertex. The three remarkable lines, median and height and angular bisector, always passing through the vertex, but the perpendicular bisector may be passing through the vertex in some cases or not. In this case, the perpendicular bisector not passing through the vertex. Okay, to draw the second perpendicular bisector of the side AB, the same, place the midpoint, okay, midpoint of AB, draw a line perpendicular to this side AB at this midpoint, this line D2, this notation 90 degrees, D2 is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Also the third perpendicular bisector of AC, place the midpoint, this is the midpoint of AC. After placing the midpoint, draw a line using set square, okay, by using set square perpendicular to the side AC. So this is the line D3. D3 is the perpendicular bisector of AC at the midpoint and 90 degrees. So the three perpendicular bisectors meet at the same point, which is K. In a triangle ABC, this triangle, the three perpendicular bisectors D1, D2 and D3 meet at K. Look, we have this point K, which is the center of the circle passing through the vertices of this triangle. So this is the center of the circle passes through the vertices of this triangle, and it's called what? Circumcenter. You can use another method to draw the perpendicular bisector by using the compass. Open the compass more than the half of the segment and draw the first arc, and the same from the other extremities of the segment. Draw arc, the intersection point, join it with the intersection point below. Okay, and you will get the perpendicular bisector using what? Compass. So to draw the perpendicular bisector, you can use the ruler and the set square. The ruler to place the midpoint of the segment, and set square to draw the perpendicular line to the segment. Another way, using what? Using compass. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.